Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right access, a personal profile linked to Business Manager or an admin role. Once done, sign into the platform. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready so you can complete verification quickly. If you anticipate credential problems, open an incognito window or clear cookies to avoid cached errors. Doing this reduces friction and prevents lockouts, so you can move straight into Ads Manager without wasting time on account recovery. Now find Ads Manager. Click the main menu, often labeled Business Tools or shown as a hamburger icon, and scan for Ads Manager or Business Suite. When you open it, confirm the ad account ID matches the campaign you intend to manage. This prevents accidental edits to the wrong account. If you use multiple accounts, switch with the account selector at the top. Also, save a bookmark or use a direct saved link for faster access later, because consistent navigation keeps your workflow efficient. Finally, open the Campaigns tab and select the campaign you need, then switch to Ad Sets or Ads to make edits. Make sure filters and date ranges are set correctly, because a hidden filter can make your items disappear. If the interface seems stuck, refresh the page and try a different browser, since extensions or cached scripts often cause rendering problems. If errors persist, read the status messages shown at the top. Those tell you why an ad is paused or disapproved, so you can fix it and continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.